All right, ladies and gents, I forgot the damn tripod holder. You know, this thing's supposed to have something that connects it to the tripod here, but I brain farted. I must have took it off when I was uploading some of these videos to my laptop, but we're still gonna get a little bit of a recording there. We're back at status just because we got a week past, so we're trying to juice out as much as we can in this bitch, you know? I got the homie back. Come on. Someone don't look at him, contemplating life over there. What's going on, hermano? So tell him what's going on in here, man.
Not a whole lot, bro. It's pretty empty today.
It's dead as hell, just like last time.
Hey, you know what that means?
We're gonna make it a damn good one. We get naked. Hold on. Yo, chill out, man. All right, y'all, we about to see how this. I got a back day in here today, so we're about to put these machines to work. Look, we got this beauty of a machine right here. It's like a lap. It's lap pull down. All these different types of handles. I've used them before, but just not this place. So let's try it out. Let's see what we got. I'm still on my warm up set, so let's see how this bad boy goes, man. 1 rep max right here. Oh man, actually does feel damn good. Okay, now this is too light, bro. I'm embarrassing myself right now. Hold on. Yeah, this ain't nothing right now, but again, I'm liking it so far in this place. It does got a good little luxurious vibe to it, you know? It's this lighting too, bro. Come on. Looks like we're out here in a movie setting right now. But now let's see how this first working warm-up set, whatever the hell it's feeling like goes. Oh yeah. One more. Boom. Yeah, honestly, that did move pretty damn good. I'm definitely putting on either another 25 or another plate in this bad boy. We're gonna see what we got. Yeah, now we got a working set going on in this bad boy. I'm kind of excited because that last set felt like a thing of beauty. So let's see how this, let's see what kind of pump this bad boy gives me. Oh, oh, baby, come on. Oh yeah. One more. Come on. Ooh, shit. Oh yeah, that was fucking immaculate, ladies and gents. I'm liking it. Let's see how the next set goes. Yeah, we added a little bit of weight to this thing because I was feeling pretty damn good. And I'm assuming I got 12 of them. That last set rep was starting to get a little, not a little, that should be getting rough, but I think I can juice out a little bit more weight. So let's see how this shit goes. Oh yeah. Come on, baby.
Come on, man. Come on.
Come on. Oh, I knew I had a little bit more weight in me. I was still 12. Guys, it's funny. You go from wanting to lose a big back to wanting to grow more. Big back, baby. Come on. All right, my brother better show y'all how it's done. Come on. Show him. That's some easy weight right there. You better rep this shit out. 20 rep max real quick. Come on. Let's see what he got. Woo. That was a nice little warm up right there, huh, brother? Yeah. Look at these. Let's see what these go up to. What do they go up to? They got 115? Oh, no. Yeah, it's 125. Okay, they got some big boy weights in here. That's what I like to see, baby. All right, look, we don't got this at Iron. Honestly, these probably aren't even that expensive. I could probably just get my own one of these. Yeah, they're kind of, right. I'm like, it's probably just like 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks. I don't know, but let's see. I just know that I've seen people do them, and it takes the grip out of the movement. Really, I guess you could do that with the Easy Bar too. But I'm gonna see how these bad boys feels. I did like a little bit of a warm up already, but let's see how the working set goes. All right, come on. Oh, oh. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. It's like give me a little twinge in the shoulder, bruh. I think I'd rather do it with the Easy Bar actually. Just like feels like it's putting a little. My shoulders want to rattle a little bit, you know. So it's like, yeah, no, we're sticking with the Easy Bar in this bad boy. Fuck this shit. All right, you good? All right, show 'em I was done over here at Mano. We ain't used this thing before. We don't really got one with handles like this. I wouldn't say it looks like it does much, but hey, whatever feels most comfortable. Let's see it. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Everything looks like a thing of beauty right here. Come on. Ooh, come on. Yeah, baby. Come on. Smile. There we go. It's not chest day, but I want to get a little bit of feel in this. Whoa. That's why you did the grip thing, huh? That's feel low.
It's a different grip.
Oh, whoa. It's like almost, oh wait, it's because it's low too, but it's almost incline here. Oh, feels good actually. Oh man, one more. Oh yeah. All right, folks, I had to switch it up to the Easy Bar just because that last one, definitely not the way to go. But I did one set already and it was feeling pretty damn good. So let's see how this one goes. I went up in weight. Man, machines are so weird though because I'm doing like half the weight that I do with iron, but it's a different cable setup. So I don't know. What the hell ever. Let me stop yapping. Let's go. Come on. Oh, fuck that. Because Marquito's putting this to work. Come on. God, come on. Boom, boom, boom. It's easy shit, man. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Keep him going, keep him going. Ooh-wee. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. God, there we go, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. How you liking them ropes, man? You good? They good?
For triceps, it's not bad.
Actually, I can see that. Yeah, because it doesn't have to. The tris are good staying locked in place, so it's like, yeah, I'm not really rocking it for it with the. It's like it puts like your shoulders, yeah, like it keeps them locked into place almost, you know. So it's like I'm not really liking it for that, but I can see it going good for triceps. I don't know, maybe I'll try that out next time we're here. I missed it I missed it on my push day, but what the hell ever. Y'all know it's getting serious though. We got the towel. We in this bitch. Getting this pump going, baby. Let's go. All right, we doing these incline curls just cause I like to switch it off. I go big back exercises first, and then I move on to something like curls just to really isolate the biceps here. But I'm not gonna lie, these things always, like if you get a good, you can mess around with the angle, which is what I love about this exercise. You really get to do your own thing, add some flavor to it, add whatever you feel most on your muscles, right? So let's see how this bad boy goes. I already got my first sit in, so this one should move a little smoother. The last one was rough. Ugh, come on. Come on. Come on.
Those are.
Oh, that's it. Oh. Well, I probably should have juiced that last one out a little bit more, but they could have taken no more, baby. God damn. All right, I'm pretty much almost done with this back day in here. I got a couple sets of this bad boy. This thing, I like when they have different options for handles. It's because not all the gyms got this shit. So let's see how this bad boy's feeling. All right, come on. Damn, freaky ass. I know. Hopefully I can hear his freaky ass, man, because this ain't some shit. All right. Come on. Fuck. Ooh. Yeah, I'm liking that grip. Like when it's a little bit more almost neutral grip, that shit tends to hit a little bit more of that mid back, and that shit was on the dot, ladies and gents. That's how we do it, baby. Come on. That's what we call a banging ass workout, ladies and gents. He's getting a little bit of a pump, check going on in his biatch. Better for 40 back. Yeah, there you go for 40 back. It's fine. That's how we wrap up a banging ass workout, ladies and gents. We'll catch y'all on the next one, baby.